Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eclairs easy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and equipment ready. The foundation of a great eclair is the choux pastry, so we'll focus on mastering that. Next, learn to pipe consistent shapes for beautiful, evenly baked shells. Finally, we'll fill your perfectly cooled eclairs with a rich, smooth pastry cream for a delightful finish. To begin your choux pastry, combine water, butter, a pinch of sugar, and salt in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Immediately add your flour all at once, stirring vigorously until a smooth dough ball forms and pulls away from the pan. Remove from heat, let it cool slightly, then beat in your eggs one by one until the dough is shiny and smooth, forming a V-shape when lifted with a spoon. For piping, use a large star or round tip to create straight, even strips of dough on parchment-lined baking sheets. Bake your eclairs at an initial high temperature, around 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 to 15 minutes to help them puff up. Then, reduce the oven temperature to approximately 325 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking until they are golden brown and hollow. Remember, do not open the oven door during the initial baking phase. Once your eclair shells are completely cooled, it's time for the delicious filling. Prepare a smooth, rich pastry cream and transfer it to a piping bag. You can either pierce holes in the bottom or cut the eclairs lengthwise to fill them generously. Finish by dipping the tops into a warm chocolate glaze or ganache. Serve your beautiful eclairs immediately for the best crispness or refrigerate them for later enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.